All right. So here's the problem now. They're having about a 25-meter race. You know me can't lose that. Even though world champion, Olympic champion there, big athlete, they're about the place. Clown there. Everybody there. But here's the trick now. We're not just running. We're running in these. We never say anything like that in our life. So we are running at them something. We don't understand. So what we do, we wait until you say go before we put them on, and we must put them on now. Eh? Then what we must do.
Put the flippers on,
Put them on.
gentlemen and ladies.
You put on yours.
I don't like clothes, you know, so you know me I win.
Okay. The tip of the flipper must be at the edge of the line, not over. Doing your teeth. The flipper must not cross the line.
The flipper mustn't cross the line.
No. Dwayne.
Could you introduce us to
So, ladies and gentlemen, in lane one, been to over 17 world championships via TVJ coverage right here in studio. Never Curtis Bell. In lane two, Nina so good, but him stepping same way. Dwayne, 1 foot extra. In lane number 3, champion. When them say walking trophy, I see them a talk about. Ladies and gentlemen, Cheryl Simpson. And in lane number 4, the upsetter. Because she upset all the while. Ladies and gentlemen, yes man, Empress Golding. Athletes on your marks.
Oh.
Me no know how. Me never work out the part then. On your marks.
Yeah.
Get set.
Yeah.
Go. And they're off. And it is the walking trophy. And the upset are going 1, 2, 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. Make it and turn back. Neville Curtis Bell. Something draw somewhere. But he's determined to make it. If you don't give him little water, maybe he would have moved a little faster.
Up and down.
Yes.
Up and down.
If never get a little water, the flipper would have moved. No. Okay. All right. And he is moonwalking the rest of the way.
Ref.
Thank God for Michael Jackson. Neville is third.
Ref.
Dwayne is a late non-starter.
It's back and up and down.
No.
Oh.
You are running a different race than everybody else. And the winner is Sharon Simpson.
Oh, Sharon must win. Oh, Sharon must win. You know you're not well started.
But she comes first. And in second place, the silver goes to Empress Go. Neverland do it no come nothing. Whoever pay for Neverland do it come at the games, they take back on the airfare. Take back the plane ticket.
Congratulations. You did well.
Medic.
Yeah, you're done.
Medic, do we need some oxygen?
Well, as we go
Do we
to the
need some
break,
oxygen?
as we go to the break, I have some breaking news. Me and her done. When you know done, like in kaput. Done.
All right, I'm sorry, Nelly, for siding with Dwayne earlier. We are still. I can't believe I got Selma.
We'll still come back.